So let's eat, ayan, fruit salad dito sa Cagayan de Oro, and sobrang ganda nung Cagayan Valley na bundok dito sa Cagayan. Sobrang lamig and meron pa mga pine tree. So nandito ako sa side ng Gaisano Mall dito sa Cagayan de Oro, and meron silang paganyan. So ayan yung mga decor nila. And tingnan mo naman itong si Olap. Si Olap, 1,940. May paganyan pa siya, oh. Ayan, oh. Ito naman si Santa Claus. Ang mura na ni Santa Claus. 4,895. Ayan. Ho! Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas! So, ayan. Ayan siya. And, ayan yung Christmas tree nila. Ang ganda. Ayan. So, ang wish ko sa Christmas, magkikita-kita na kami ng pamilya ko, ni Hero Regabi at ang asawa ko bago pumutok ang Christmas. So by December, nandun na ako sa ibang bansa. Nalulungkot ako kasi ang daming yayamanin at magpapayaman or yayaman pa ang Mindanao. Nandito lahat. So nalulungkot ako. So mamaya, madaling araw, nasa to go na tayo na barko, and I remember Sulpicio Line all the time, and I asked those person na did you remind the Sulpicio Line, and sinasabi nila ang Sulpicio Line na barko na yan, yan din si to go raw na parang kinonstruct, pininturaan. Sabi ko, oh my God, Sulpicio Line ng Cotabato City, Mindanao, na kumbaga tinurn over na government to maging to go ang kanilang line. Nakakalungkot. Sulpicio Line, nakakalungkot kasi maraming teenager ang nagtanad, naging pokpok, burikat, prosti, international dahil sa Sulpicio Line. Ang daming remember at nagkantutan sa barkong yun. So ayan, Sulpicio Line, anong line ang gusto nyo ngayon? So don't be don't be a liar to anyone. So ayan, meron tayong pa dito, and meron pa ditong BCBC, Philippine Christian Book. Ayan, may mga Christian book sila dito. Cagayan de Oro is not a Catholic religion. Sila ay Jehovah Witnesses, born again. So, don't ever, at saka iglesia ang nandito sa Cagayan. So, don't attack lots of religion talaga. So, medyo perfectionist ang born again, and very advanced sila mag-isip. So, don't ever do attack. Mayaman ng mga born again, very silent people, pero they know how to kill those evil people in this world. So wag nyo silang inisin. So ayan. So may family prayer tayo dito. So family prayer. Lord, bless our family with openness to real communication, with sharing all our joys and sorrows, with freedom to let each other grow, with understanding for the gift each one has to give, and of course, with love. No matter what, no matter where, let us love each other as we love as you. Amen. So, but as for me, my household will serve to Lord. Joshua 24 verse 15 NIV. Ayun, amen. Ayan. Kung ang born again Jehovah Witnesses ay nagdi-December o nagpapasko, yes, marami sila foundation every year, and may binibigay silang gift, and hindi lang pangaral ng Diyos, pati mga founding na mga new generation na hindi sila bastos. So don't ever go to those religion. Oh my God, mayaman sila. So ayun, ito yung view dito. So ayun, off ko na. There's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take